In this video, I'll show you how to fix Netflix not working on your LG TV. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure your LG TV is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection. Try running a speed test to confirm that your internet connection is working properly. Step 2. Update the Netflix app. Go to the LG TV App Store, search for the Netflix app and check if there is an available update. Step 3. Restart your TV. Power off your LG TV and unplug it for 30 seconds. Plug it back in and power it on to see if Netflix starts working. That's it for this video. I hope it resolved your problem and it was helpful. If it was, please subscribe. And if you have any more questions, you can leave them in the comments down below and I'll try to help you out.